Yesterday, I've decided to pretty up my 5th custom build by adding these amazing cob lights. Neon pink color this time. I also used the opportunity to install my newest 3D printed TPUs. We're looking at the skirt stack protector for the MOPAX frame. And snap-on arm guards that go around the cob light strip, protecting both carbon frame as well as the cob light strip in the same time. These are manually designed snap-on arm guards for my next 5-inch custom build TBS Source 1 version 5 frame. Yes, Minecraft style this time. This is my 5th custom built 5-inch quadcopter. Some components used in this build are the following: frame, RVS MOPAX by Rotor Village Canadian FPV shop. Receiver is Matex's R24D dual antenna diversity. Video system Voxnel Avatar HD Pro. Motors iFlight Xing E Pro 2306 1700 kV. I'm running 6S configuration on all my 5-inch quads. Flight controller Rushblade F722 HD digital. ESC T-Motor Velox V50A. BL Heli 32. Quadrox 5.5-inch Gemfan Hurricane propellers. 5536-3. They are a little larger than standard 5.1-inch propellers. This frame can accommodate them easily, even with this wide stack guard I've designed. There is still plenty of space in between the stack guard and propellers. So just like with all my other 5-inch quads, I've decided to pretty up this build as well. My MOPAX just got a cob light makeover. But that's not the only upgrade here. I've designed this amazing TPU skirt, stack protector, and got it 3D printed by Rotor Village. This time it's in chaos purple color. I've designed it so it can accommodate quite wide T-Motor Velox V50A ESC, which is quite wider than many other ESCs out there. So this is how much space you need on the sides. This stack protector does not only protect the stack from dirt, dust, grass blades and whatnot, it makes it look a little nicer as well. At the back there is a channel for Voxnel Avatar antenna, and at the bottom, which is not part of this stack guard TPU, it's separate, totally custom-made holder for Express LRS dual antenna. It also holds my 35 volts 1000 microfarads capacitor at the back, so it's a multi-purpose mount really. I've also designed these arm guards. They're based on original Rotor Village ones. A snap-on beauties, so no screws are touching the TPU, much easier to tighten them properly. I've also punched a couple of holes in the side walls, can be seen here, which let cob light shine through even more. Even without those holes, light going through TPU is beautifully diffused, but this way light appears more intense and effect is much nicer. Okay, so let's turn it on and see how it looks like with cob lights on. When I'm installing cob light strips, I always take the middle of the strip, start at the back of the frame and lay them around the frame perimeter. That way I'm sure the start and the end of the strip will look perfectly symmetrical. As you can see, I have no lights at the front of the frame. I don't want any light pollution for either one of my cameras, FPV cam nor action cam. Quad still looks amazingly bright. It's little difficult to show on camera, but these are the holes I spoke about earlier. So light that's going through TPU looks nice and diffused, but peeking through these holes looks the same intensity as in the non-obstructed parts of the strip. I'm pretty happy with results. Every camera out there will show these LEDs differently, and it's quite difficult to depict how amazing they look in real life. Anyway, here is one clip from my daughter's iPhone. I believe this pink color is coming through a little nicer here. If I play with camera exposure, you can actually see those holes in these arm guards. CAPTAIN MOPAX. And of course, no project would be the same if I had no help from my little helper. She makes everything much more enjoyable. Thanks for watching.